Hi, I'm Nathan Hutchin, owner of Reigate Garage in Reigate. I specialise in servicing, MOTs and general repairs. And today I'm going to be showing you some different general maintenance and some driving skills. In this video I'll be showing you how to start a car with jumper cables. If you get the bonnet up, here is where the battery is located. This has a cover on it, so you just have to unclip the cover and pull the cover off. On your battery you have a negative and a positive terminal. In this case that one's the negative, that one's the positive. Usually you can see it by the colours, usually positive are red, but for some reason it's black on this car. You get your cables, connecting them to a battery or another car. You start with a positive. Probably best to put the other positive on as well. And the negative on the negative side, and connect your negative this side. They go around to the front of the car at the steering wheel and just start it up as you usually would. Then just remove the terminals, negative first, and don't let them touch. Get your cases, slide them back in the correct place. Like so. And that's how you start a car with jumper cables.